how you doing? Welcome back to another video. It's your baby girl here, Stella. If this is your first time seeing my face, you're most definitely welcome. Please join the Star family by clicking on the subscribe button, like this video and share with your friends. Why not? And don't forget to check out my other videos because I make other lifestyle and interesting videos and vlogs that you are going to enjoy. So due to popular demand, I've got a lot of requests from you guys to make another Indomie recipe, which I'm going to make in this video. I don't want to talk too much. This one is going to be even sweeter than the other fried Indomie noodles. It's actually fried too, but in a better and more interesting way, and actually very healthy because of the vegetables. So without talking too much, let me show you the table today and the ingredients we're using to prepare this delicious Indomie. First of all, you guys know, I know I like my onion Indomie, so I'm using the onion flavor for this recipe as well. For this recipe, you need your diced green peppers. You would also need your red pepper, also chopped or diced, and our diced or chopped carrot, whisked egg, either prawn or shrimps, fresh, anyone would do. This is supposed to bring out the taste, and this is also our onion, red onion, and of course definitely our Indomie noodles onion chicken flavor, which is my favorite. You can use any flavor of your choice. The last but not the least, our curry. So now we have our hot water boiling. You just need to add in your noodles and bring to a boil. Remember, it has to be half cooked. Sieve out the water to free chemicals or extra starch that is not needed. Use cold water to rinse it off to stop the cooking process. Do you see the color of water that came out from the noodles? This is what you don't need to eat. So add some oil into a pan. Don't mind my pan, it just does the work. That's all that matters. Add your prawn. You need the flavor from this prawn to enter the oil before you start cooking your noodles, so your noodles taste as delicious as you want it. Trust me, these noodles is going to be so delicious. Just let it stir fry it for just a little bit. Don't overcook it. Just try to make it, once it's getting pink like this, then it's time to take it out of the oil. Take it out and put it in a separate bowl. Keep it aside. You're going to need it later in this recipe. In my onions to the oil because I already got the flavor from the shrimp, and I'll just keep some of these onions for my eggs. You will fry it till it's a little bit golden brown. So we're going in with our fresh peppers, carrots, then we have our duckers. You can use any curry you want, but I'm using duckers and I'm using just a little bit for color's sake. Just a little bit. Oh God, the aroma coming from my kitchen is killing. My kids are already salivating. They can't wait to have it. So we're done with that. This shrimp is going to go in now. Remember, it's already pre-cooked. We don't want our vegetables to overcook. And now we're going in with some of this flavor. Then now we're going with that green onion. Let me show you guys what. Oh my god, the shrimp, the flavor from the prawn, the shrimp, the vegetables, just try this recipe and let me know down in the comment section what you think, because for me over here I can't just wait, I just have to start eating. So guys, we've come to the end of this cooking video. I hope you enjoyed this fried Indomie noodles with me, and if you haven't checked out my other one, I'm going to link it somewhere here. Check out that one, it's another recipe, it's a fried Indomie noodles as well, but you enjoy that one as well. So that's it for this video guys. Please, if you're new to my channel, check out my other vlog, it's really fun, you're going to enjoy it here on my channel. I make other cooking videos, lifestyle and everything you're going to love. I hope you enjoy it. If you try this recipe and you love it, comment down in the comment section, and also let me know you're new to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, share, everything. Like, I can't even think again. Love you.